Here we go, little segment test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seems to be working nicely. Let's put some random numbers in. Alright, we're a little dimmer because I lowered the voltage from 3.3 to 1.8 volts. But there's a face, another face, and another face. Oh, that's how it looks. And that face, and that face. Not too bad. Looks like random numbers show up like this. Pretty cool looking. So this is the whole thing assembled in sort of proto-cube form with faces that light up with random numbers when the appropriate face is up. Only thing left to do here is solder this teeny tiny part and this and this. It is fully battery operated. I don't have any mechanical enclosure for these yet, but that should be the top face, and that face should be up, and then that face, and that face. Yep. Okay. How's this going? Okay. Got that face up. And that one is looking pretty good. Now, how do I hold this thing together?